अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Tajdeed. What is Tajdeed in an Arabic accent? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is tajdeed, what is mushaddad letter, what is mutaharrik letter, and how do we pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. What is tajdeed? The W-shaped sign, this sign is called tajdeed. In an Arabic accent, this W-shaped sign is called tajdeed. And what is mushaddad letter? Any letter which has this sign, this tajdeed sign on it, that letter is called mushaddad letter. What is mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? Any letter which has this sign, this W-shaped sign on it, that letter is called mushaddad letter. And this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has zabar, zir or pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. In an Arabic accent, any letter which has zabar, zir and pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Zabar and pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas zir is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How do we pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. How do we pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. Let's see the example of mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce mushaddad letter? Let's learn. This is ha. This is mushaddad letter because it has W sign or W shaped sign on it. This is mushaddad letter because it has W sign on it. This is also mushaddad letter. This has W sign on it. There is mutaharrik letter before mushaddad letter because it has zabar on it. This is Hamza zabar. This is Hamza Zair is mutaharrik letter because it has harkat Zair below it or bottom it. This is mutaharrik letter Hamza because it has harkat pesh on it. How do we pronounce mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce mushaddad letter twice. First, it will be joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then according to its own harkat. It has harkat on zabar on it. And this mushaddad letter also has harkat zabar on it. This letter also has its own harkat zabar on it. Let's learn how do we pronounce mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent with spelling. Hamza zabar, Hamza, ha zabar ah, ha zabar ha, ah ha. Hamza ha zir I, ha zabar ha, I ha. Hamza ha pesh uh, ha zabar ha, ha. Ah ha, I ha, ha. Again I repeat. Hamza ha zabar ah, ha zabar ha, ha. Hamza ha zir I, ha zabar ha, ha. Hamza ha pesh ha zabar ha, ha. Ah ha, ha, ha. Aha, iha, uha. Aha, iha, uha. This is the example of mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. I daily upload a video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.